Hi guys, welcome to Hardreset Info channel. Today I have ZTE Blade A73 and I want to show you how to take long screenshot on this device. First step which you must remember, it's to take long screenshot you must have more information than on the one side of the screen, maybe in the Google Chrome when you can scroll it. And to take it, we must volume down and power case together at the same time as to make normal screenshot. Oh, I pressed wrong. I do it again. And after that we click scroll capture. And now we must tap on the screen when we want to pause. When we have all we need, maybe now. And done. And we have our long screenshot, which we can easily change in our gallery by this icon. And that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!